weather will be like on their first day
Yeah,
of school.
you know, by the way, speaking of first day of school, today IDEA started as well. You know, hopefully all those kids had a great time out there. Getting to see all their friends. Unfortunately, in the heat, you're right. It's still warm outside. Take a look at where we're at right now. Still at 90 degrees in Austin, 92 in Bastrop, 85 as you get out towards LaGrange. They saw a few showers just within that area. So you see some spots a little cooler, like Blanco at 84. But overall, it is still just a tad warm and humid outside. Mostly clear skies at this point. A lot of the cloud coverage that we did see kind of sticking around, that's pretty much gone. We still have some clouds way out towards the west, past Mason, and then way out towards the east as you get out towards Houston. They had a few showers a little while ago as well. Temperatures for tonight dropping down to about 77 degrees with mostly clear skies. Warm and humid with winds coming in light and variable. Tomorrow, another warm day, 98 degrees for Austin, but don't be surprised if we creep closer and closer to 100, especially if we don't get a decent amount of rainfall in the area. I'm not saying we're going to see widespread showers. I'm just saying they'll be widely scattered and that we could see them pop in and out. So this is the latest run on our graph model. This one's saying by around 12 o'clock, we may see a few isolated pockets of showers here and there. This continues to get to about 3 p.m. and then starts to fade out by 6. This update looks more like what I was anticipating that we would get for Tuesday, because the earlier model was being a little excited about some of those showers that were coming in, and that wasn't the word I would use for Tuesday. And as we look out towards Wednesday, you can see the same thing, just a few isolated showers as we get to about 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., and then it starts to fade out. And again, that's the better model, and that's what I figure is actually going to happen Tuesday into Wednesday. That low pressure starts to make its way on out, and then we start to see more moisture flow in before another high pressure starts to take hold and gives us warmer conditions and drier conditions as we get out towards Sunday. So we only have a little bit of a drop in that rain chance before it picks up again as we get out towards Friday and Saturday. And that's because of a system that's going to be in the Gulf. Now, it's not going to do very much. I don't expect it to develop into anything. In fact, chances of developing are 0. But as we get out towards Friday and Saturday, that should swing in at least some moisture. So let's take a look at it and see where it's at and what it's going to be doing. These are the latest numbers. We're just waiting for another update, which should come out soon. 0% chance in this one area at the Atlantic. That one's pretty much done for. We have another one off the coast, the East Coast. That one at 10% as well. It's moving into colder water. And then we have what's happening in the Gulf. Again, that brings us a chance of rain. Aaron, tropical storm, still has not been upgraded to a hurricane. Looks like we'll have to wait a bit longer for that. Could be our very first hurricane and could become our very first major hurricane as well in the coming days. 7-day forecast, 98 to 99 over the next few days with 10% chances of rain on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and possibly even Monday.